4-cup glass carafe with plastic handle. Carafe features a pouring spout with a heavy-duty plastic lid. Packaged in a gift box. Fits most espresso and cappuccino makers. Ideal replacement or spare part for your IMUSA Espresso electric machines. IMUSA Espresso Maker Carafe allows you to be a barista at home. This great accessory can be used as replacement or a spare part. It is made of glass and its lid has a pouring spout that makes sharing easy. Simply pour your coffee on an espresso cup or tazita and enjoy the smooth taste. Top reviews from the United States. IMUSA from IMUSA, and I didn't even know when I bought it. Okay. I purchased this in December 2019 after dropping my entire machine and all when unpacking it while half asleep. I was clueless that it is the same brand as my little workhorse espresso machine. I only paid attention to it being a glass 4-cup espresso carafe with a lid, cheap, and fast shipping. I really like the lid being attached. In the past the lids warped and would fall off if not removed when pouring and they were too hot to remove. It was a pain. Now I see why I like this one so much. I love my IMUSA espresso machine that lived for many years and was dropped way more times than it should have. The machine was finally replaced when the power knob broke off. I was sad when I couldn't find my IMUSA machine at that time and paid for a more expensive POS machine that crapped out after 6 months. Now I have my IMUSA machine again and still using this replacement carafe with it. The one that came with my new machine is still packed away for safekeeping. My luck, I'll forget where I safely stored it when I drop this one, but will be happy to buy this replacement again.